is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want you to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why even pang...
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing na bang himla ka niya siya of course.
Yes. Definitely. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first, we sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. We don't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. Reservation is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what we
Okay, so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? So many of them.
Yeah, they are all included. Khelm Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't try to explain about the division. Don't try to bring that issue. When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi means Khelm Upanar Udhoy Ruam Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Hoi, then there will be another problem. No. Why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting unity. We are promoting unity. We call for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about it. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want this.
So
it's
if
not
you are,
good for the state. Not
don't
good
worry
for
for
you,
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't worry for me.
Okay.
Okay. Worry
Not
for
good
the
for all
youth
of us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for
me.
everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come and let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. So, as you wish. As you wish. I have come.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah. Thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy, and we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the resolution policy.
No. As of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster. Please.
But
It's on roster.
I've come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty. Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you.
Now you're slow. Now one request we are then. One withdraw your strike to me. Number one, ikwa pa niya kren kami kampahan na nagpapasli. Nakatanga doon ba ito? Ngasuan man request i man sko ha man withdraw no. Kaka education to i number bang idon kam niya kren. Lem da kating niya kren siya ay niya boy sa binig suku. Mla.
Atau kalau belum mau ada kadingun suan man kerpat khelm na kajing tho.
So ini saya kata nga ngade ka Emily ngade ka nong susunok. Ngasnog dan kamanwan ngalawan. Ngalale ela ka jog. Kajing hot ki isya kajing langin saya hot. Iwan tin lak man ya kren.
Kading message ko pa.
Kaya ni ngawan kum ka nong susunok. Ngawan kum ka Emily. Ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba kulit lah. Ngadan tohok kawan. Berrequest ni. Mansuha withdraw ya ka education. Tangkat lagi
Atau pinsa apa nang kedua si pinsa bajai bukan ban song
nin
na
saya kan ya ka ay kapanjang ngimla pa niya ren pa. Nga kermen bakan ben. Iwan ban penbet.
Yung tap yuan personal.
Personal kung kanong song. Kung gawin ito patay lang ba? Na try kam don problem ko